yan. Wow. Sige, sige, sige. Ay, sige.
Kaya pagsalitain mo na si nanay. Ba't kasi inaanong pa yung TV? Hindi mo na ano yung TV, si nanay lang.
Ayun na po.
My compatriots in the Philippines and the world, tonight, New Year's Eve, 2026, this is a dream fulfilled. As you can see, I am here in Cannes, France, courtesy of Sir Alexander Pineda Gatchalian, chapter commander of Cannes, France. You see, I cannot imagine Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus is really spoiling me. Here, together with our beloved Dr. Jose Rizal and the Bounties, New Year's Eve. You see, through the years, I have been dreaming that the New Year's Eve can make the nation and the world reflect. Because after December 30 Rizal Day is December 31 and the eve of New Year's Eve. All I wanted to say was for our compatriots to look back and now to look forward with and guided by the ideals of Dr. Jose Rizal. You see, I am here courtesy of Sir Alexander Gatchalian. And on December 28, 2025, the Knights of Rizal gathered at Buseye in Rizal Hall. Knights and ladies of Rizal, you cannot imagine my happiness when Sir Alexander Pineda Gatchalian recited with feelings, "Mi ultimo adios," but take note, as translated by our beloved Supremo Andres Bonifacio, the title is Pahimakas. And so, because of that rendering, the internalization by Sir Alexander Gatchalian of Pahimakas of Supremo Andres Bonifacio, I shed tears because I said, I think this is the first time I attended a Rizal Day event with Mi Ultimo Adios, but through Pahimakas. And so now, my compatriots all over the world, this is a dream fulfilled with Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus and Dr. Rizal, Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. Now I have no more doubt. And I'm in Cannes, France, where you have the Cannes Film Festival. Now, I dare say this. Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus Living Saints Productions Incorporated. I am practically launching it here in Cannes. And, by the way, I'm here in a wonderful villa, but as I said, this is all God's merciful love, the bounties and the graces. Lydia Cabral is from the tribe of Subanen, Zamboanga del Sur Peninsula. And so, you can imagine too our happiness that our indigenous, our ancestors are here also. So I cannot thank God enough. My compatriots, dream, divine promises fulfilled. Now, my national global network, I thank you for all your messages. How you're so happy. You said that the mission I'm doing is truly great. And now, with this, you can no longer doubt that God is faithful to His promises. The new Sacred Prophetic International Order and Vision by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Dr. Jose Rizal, and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt will be fulfilled. And of course, before ending, I would like also to acknowledge our brother Sir Romel C. Balistoy, now in Nice, France, and attending to the yacht, and also Annalyn Gumiran and her 2 daughters. And of course, Gina, I don't know her family name, but she's staying also in the place, in the home of Sir Romel C. Balistoy. She's taking good care of me. She's also my super angel. Amen.
Amen.
Galing!